In this session, I'll be showing you how to change the resolution of my virtual machine. So currently, I'm running Kubuntu with a resolution of 800 by 600. So let's try to log in now. Okay, it's also loading. Now, by default, I would normally set it to 1440 by 900 if you've been following my post. But on this particular virtual machine, I was having trouble adjusting the resolution. So it kept on returning to its default resolution, which is 800 by 600. I tried looking for solutions over the internet, and it took me quite some time to find the solution. But I was able to finally found it, so I would like to share it to you guys, just in case you will also encounter the same or similar problem that I have. Okay, so let me just try to show you first. Okay, the first thing that I will be doing is I'm going to change the resolution. So we have here display configuration. Now, by default, as what I've said, this is 800 by 600. So let me just try to change this one to 1024 by 768. Okay, this one. Okay, let's try to change. If it's going to change, I'm going to click apply. Now, as you've noticed, it's returning back to its original stage, which is 800 by 600. Now, let's try to look for it another resolution, which is 1360 by 768. But still, it kept on returning to its original resolution, which is 800 by 600. So we'll try to resolve that certain issue, or that particular issue, with this solution that I'll be showing you. So let me just try to close this window first. Then I'm going to shut off my Kubuntu. Okay, click leave. Then shut down. Okay, shut down as well. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time a new content is uploaded. Okay, so going back, I've already selected here Kubuntu. Okay, since we're using this one as our example. So let's try to go to settings. Then under settings, let's try to look for display. Under display, we have your graphics controller. For graphics controller, let's try to select vmbox SVGA. Then let's try to click OK. But before we clicking OK, notice that we have here invalid settings detected. So let's just try to ignore this warning. Then let's just try to click OK. Then let's try to restart again our virtual machine. Okay, so now that's already loaded. Let's try to log in. Okay, I'm going to specify my password. Press enter. Okay. Okay, now let's try this time to change the resolution. Okay, I'm going to click the application launcher. Then let's try to search for display. Okay, we have here display configurations. Then let's try to select this time 1024 by 768. Then let's try to click apply. Okay, so okay. Now notice by the way that it has already changed. Now let's try to use or let's try to check it again on another resolution. display configuration again. Then let's try to select 1440 by 900. Okay, so it's a little bit tad. Okay, it's actually fits perfectly. Okay, okay, so to change it so that it will fit on the screen. 1366 by 768 apply. Okay, I think that's better. You're gonna try to click OK. So that's how you would normally change, or that's how you would change the resolution in your virtual machine. Just in case uh, your virtual machine will actually not work by changing the uh, screen resolution through the display settings. All you have to do is change it via the settings menu on your virtual box manager.